Start with this modern trick. Build a partition that stores more than it separates. A slim shelving wall or slatted screen defines zones, hides clutter, and lets light glide through, making a compact living room feel twice as open. Choose pieces on casters to roll for parties, or anchor with ceiling tracks for daily stability. This flexible boundary becomes a statement piece, a stealth organizer, and a space stretcher, all without closing the room or blocking conversation. Current trends celebrate texture and transparency. Vertical wood slats in walnut or ash add warmth and rhythm. Black steel frames introduce graphic structure. Fluted or reeded glass softens edges while preserving brightness. For softer minimalism, consider micro-cement or lime wash partitions with gentle movement. Prefer organic curves. A rounded corner or arched cutout nods to Art Deco without going retro. Mix materials thoughtfully so the partition harmonizes with floors, trims, and existing hardware throughout the space. Color carries mood across the partition. Keep the base palette calm, bone, taupe, warm gray, and let the divider deliver an intentional accent. Olive for grounded elegance, terracotta for earthy energy, or midnight blue for moody sophistication. Echo that hue in cushions, throws, or one statement artwork to stitch the zones together. When seasons shift, refresh textiles instead of repainting. The partition remains the anchor, while soft furnishings shift the vibe from breezy summer linen to cozy winter knits. On a budget, think modular. 2 backless bookcases secured together and to the ceiling create a sturdy, airy divider. MDF panels with narrow routed grooves mimic designer slats for less. Paint half the partition the wall color to visually lighten mass, then add peel and stick oak strips for texture. Ceiling tracks with heavy linen offer movable privacy for guests. Salvage yards often yield metal frames. A quick sand and matte clear coat transforms them into industrial chic room dividers without overspending. If today's ideas sparked plans, join our community at Decor Like Dream. Tell me which partition style suits your living room, or what challenge you're solving. Tiny layout, curious pets, or nosy hallways. I'll craft future episodes around your questions, seasonal tweaks, and clever hacks. Your support fuels more design deep dives, DIY breakdowns, and budget-smart transformations. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and drop a comment with your favorite tips so others can learn from you too.